Kamusta mga kawok with LAN? Ano nga ba ang nangyari noong June 2, 2025 sa Senado? Si Senate President Chis Escudero, okay, tinalikuran si Senator Risa Hontiveros habang nagsasalita ito tungkol sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ay, political drama ba ito o calculated move? Today, we're diving deep into this viral moment, no? Ilang mga minuto of wit, facts, at sariwang analysis para sa ating mga kababayan sa Pilipinas at sa mga OFW sa US, Canada, Australia, at iba pang sulok ng mundo. Kung gusto nyong malaman ang totoong kwento behind this walkout, hit that subscribe button, i-like ang video na ito at i-click ang notification bell para hindi kayo mamiss ng updates. Ready na ba kayo? Let's walk this out. Pero seryoso ha? Bakit nga ba big deal itong walkout na ito? Is this a snub to Hontiveros? Or is Escudero playing chess while we are all watching checkers? Let's break it down with a mix of humor, storytelling, at hardcore political analysis. Para sa ating mga OFW, lalo na sa US, UK, at Middle East, this is your chance to stay connected sa Philippine politics. Kaya i-share nyo na ito sa group chats nyo. Okay, no? Let's see the stage. June 2, 2025, Senate plenary session. Si Senator Risa Hontiveros delivering a fiery privilege speech about the impeachment trial of VP Sara Duterte. Pero bago pa man siya magsimula, boom! Chis Escudero walks out. Ang tanong, was this a disrespectful gesture or a strategic exit? Okay, no? Imagine this, ha? Ikaw si Chis, Senate President, juggling. Okay, juggling. Hello, yan. Juggling political alliances, ha? You're in the room full of senators, camera rolling, at si Risa, kilalang vocal critic ng Duterte camp, is about to drop a bombshell. Ano ang gagawin mo? Mag-stay ka ba at magpanggap na nakikinig o lalayas ka na lang para iwas drama? Parang scene sa teleserye, di ba? Okay, according to reports, Escudero returned to his seat after Hontiveros' speech and simply said, noted, and entered into the records. Pero ang netizens, hindi napigilan. Puson X called it, walang balls. Ang namamangka sa dalawang ilog. Pero teka, let's not jump to conclusions. Let's look at both sides. Okay, no? Talagang ano naman, no? Okay, no? Some say Escudero's walkout wasn't a snub. Siyempre, no? Hindi siya. As Senate President, he's got a packed schedule. Meetings, caucuses, at maybe kailangan niyang mag-CR, ha? Seryoso, like sources like Politico suggest Chis is playing a calculated game to delay Sara Duterte's impeachment trial, possibly to protect his Senate presidency. Remember, Escudero's position depends on the majority support, and alienating the Duterte camp could cost him, no? Meanwhile, Hontiveros was firm, no, citing the 1987 Constitution. Trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed once an impeachment is filed. She argued that delaying the trial until June 11 was unconstitutional and a neglect of duty. Ang lakas ng loob ni Risa, di ba? She didn't even flinch when Chis walked out. She kept going like a boss. Kung ako si Chis, baka tumakbo ako palabas para mag-order ng kape kasi ang init ng plenary session, ha? Pero kung ako si Risa, I'd be like, uy, balik ka dito, hindi pa ako tapos. Okay, no? Talagang ano. Okay, sige. Now let's zoom out. This isn't just about Chis and Riza. It's about the impeachment trial of VP Sara Duterte. Why is this trial so controversial, no? The House filed articles of impeachment and the Constitution mandates the Senate to act swiftly. Pero bakit delayed? Is Chis protecting Sara to stay in power or is he just following Senate protocol? Okay, impeachment trials aren't unique to the Philippines. Sa US, think of Trump's impeachment. Delays and political maneuvering are par for the course. Pero dito sa Pinas, mas personal ang drama. Ang mga senador natin parang nasa reality show, alliance shift, egos clash, at kami ang audience. Imagine ha, you're an OFW in Davao, no? Watching this unfold, you're working hard, sending money home, and you want a government that's transparent. Pero pag nakikita mo tong mga ganap, parang ano ba yan, Cheese? Magtrabaho ka naman. Kaya naman, mga ka-walk with Lan, let's keep the conversation going. I-comment nyo ang thoughts nyo. The impeachment process is clear in the Constitution, but Senate dynamics are messy, no? Escudero's delays could be tactic to avoid alienating Duterte allies who hold significant influence. But Hontiveros and allies like Senator Pimentel argue that delays undermine justice. Anong mas mahalaga? Political stability or constitutional duty? For kababayan sa abroad, sa US, Canada, UK, UAE at iba pa, this drama affects you. A delayed impeachment could mean prolonged political uncertainty, impacting policies like OFW welfare, remittances, and economic stability. Okay, sa totoo lang ha, kung ang Senado ay teleserye, ang title nito ay Impeachment o Impyerno. Pero seryoso, mga ka-walk with Lan, your voice matters. Ha? I-like, i-share at mag-super thanks para i-support ang content ng ganito. Para sa inyo ito, lalo na sa ating mga OFW. Okay, no. So ano natutunan natin? Si Chis Escudero, tinalikuran si Senator Risa Hontiveros, pero hindi ito simpleng drama. It's a power play in a high-stakes impeachment game. Both sides have valid points. Chis is navigating a political minefield while Risa is fighting for constitutional duty. Pero sa huli, kami ang huhusga ang sambayan ng Pilipino, including our OFWs around the world. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang deep dive, hit ang subscribe button. Okay, so kung nagustuhan nyo tong deep dive, i-hit ang subscribe button, i-like at i-share sa inyong mga kaibigan sa US, Canada, Australia at Middle East. At syempre, no, kinakatuwa ko lagi pag nagbabasa ako ng inyong mga komento. Kaya mag-comment below. Team Cheese or Team Risa. At kung gusto nyong isupport ang channel, mag-super thanks naman, please. Every peso or every dollar helps us keep working. Talaga namang sige po. Hanggang dito na lang po mga kababayan ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po kayo.